Hello guys, how to fix this update requires a Wi-Fi network connection to download error on your iPhone. And to fix this is to go to settings, tap on cellular and first enable turn on cellular data. Thereafter tap on cellular data options and here choose data mode. Tap on data mode and select allow more data on 5G. Thereafter go to back and go to general settings and update your software. iPhone software update, checking for updates. If any update available, download and install it in your phone. The next one is reset network settings. Under general settings, go to transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset option and choose reset network settings. After that, reboot your iPhone. Your problem will resolve.